Alright, we have a 2017 F-150 XLT, and it has the 302A luxury package on it, and it is a four-wheel drive. See, it's got the 3.5 EcoBoost with the 10-speed auto, and just under 36,000 miles. All those options will be online as well, and you'll see a screenshot of the window sticker in there in the photos. It's got the chrome appearance package. The running boards, chrome door handles, rims, exhaust tip, grille, bumpers, gray cloth, power passenger and driver seat, and you got the flip center console, Google Android Auto, backup camera, auto start stop. It's got heated seats, dual charging USB, 12 volt. It's a locking glove box. Got your owner's manual. Power sliding rear glass. You see the 110 outlet here. Heated side mirrors. Floor mats. Another 12 volt right here. Got the LED bed lights and the box link set up here on the sides. Reverse parking sensors, tow package. Door keypad code entry, and we provide the code for you. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. They have automatic headlights, power adjustable pedals. There you go, 35,696 miles. There's your Bluetooth, cruise control. There's your four-wheel drive with your electronic locking rear end. AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth, backup camera, tow, haul, and sport mode. There's your power sliding rear glass. And you also get remote start.